Hello everybody, my name is Rosanna and today we are going on another shopping adventure. This is actually our day 2 at the Harvey Nichols sample sale. You know I cannot pass up a good deal or a good sale. We are going again because the first time was so fabulous and I ran out of time just of other things I had to do, and also because we got another sale offer, and if we buy a cumulative of 10 pieces then we get an additional 10% off of whatever that sale price is. So what a deal, cannot miss that up. So for this time I'm bringing my mom with me, my aunt with me and everything, and we're gonna go shopping. Today I am focused. I know exactly where to go. I start off with this shoe section. Oscar de la Renta, Sierra Ferragamo, there's Valentino, there's so many different brands, contemporary and not, and I just chose everything as much as I could. I put it in the orange bag that they give you and I tried on every single one I remotely thought was cute. So let me tell you about the prices. They're anywhere from like 50 USD to like 300, but let me tell you again, Valentino's for $300. So there was like super select sizes. You can see I'm like trying to shove my tiny feet into 36s and 37s, but some of the sizes were all off. So if they fit me, I would have bought all the pairs, but clearly look, this one's a little bit too big on me, but so gorgeous. These Valentino wedges were adorable. I'm actually not usually a wedge girl, or am I a navy girl, but these ones kind of caught my eye. And another pair of Valentinos I found in exactly my size, which is a 36, rock studs, which are always going to be a classic in my heart. And this is actually a Valentino jacket. It's a beautiful wool coat, and I think it had a touch of cashmere in it. I would have loved to bring this home with me, but I just have so many wool coats, but I stood here for ages. They had a section of like really cheap clothes. This one was like 20 bucks. I don't even remember what the designer was, but this is Harvey Nichols. Everything is designer here. And there was like this dress for evening. I was just picking up anything, and there's no change rooms and you're not supposed to try anything on, but somehow I was managing to like just try it on in the middle of the store. And I guess the employees were used to that. No one said anything or no one was telling us to stop. So it's gorgeous. So I was narrowing down my choices. So stressful. And we have another bag of stuff. Round 2 sample sale. Got more shoes, Valentino trench coats. Oh my god. We did it. Last day of shopping. We just got to this restaurant. It's called Kyoto Joe, and I'm already in love. It's like a free flow sushi restaurant, so you have like one set price, and then you can refill anything you want. Like there's like wagyu beef here, there's like abalone, so like really nice stuff, and I'm just so excited. And literally you can refill anything. Look at this sashimi that just came. Oh my god. This is such a good way to end off our round 2 of shopping. We went to the sample sale Harvey Nichols again, and we got a lot of goodies. It looks so fancy. Those eggs are so big. They like pop in your mouth. So good. 大家有冇先點樣？唔係佢要講俾同學啊，經歷咗啲咩嚟？ And that is the end of our food adventure, of our free flow sashimi sushi adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in our next one.
So we're just finishing lunch right now. These are the shoes that I got. But I will have to be getting rid of the shoe bags. So it begins. We are officially packing. We are packing.
Great.
Yeah, so you ever buy pop and fresh dough?
Yeah.
No, it's like body friend.
Yeah.
So packing is just the most stressful thing right now. I am resorting to stuffing my shoes with t-shirts and hair ties, and I literally have so much stuff that I don't think I can put and bring everything back. So I'm like prioritizing what needs to go back. Is it the shoes? Is it the clothes? And yeah, I think I'll just have to figure it out. I have just like one big suitcase and one carry-on, and I can't not fit everything. So good luck to me. I'm just stuffing my underwear and my t-shirts into my Valentinos. This is the end of our trip. We are heading off back home.